birthday, kids! Today, we are going to test your ability in multiplying a one-digit by one-digit number in order to build a multiplication table. Are you ready? What is 3 times 2? What is 3 times 3? What is 3 times 4? What is 4 times 3? What is 4 times 4? What is 4 times 9? What is 9 times 6? What is 9 times 7? What is 9 times 8? What is 4 times 1? What is 4 times 2? What is 5 times 2? What is 5 times 3? What is 5 times 8? What is 5 times 9? What is 6 times 1? What is 6 times 3? What is 6 times 2? What is 6 times 4? What is 6 times 6? What is 6 times 5? What is 6 times 7? What is 6 times 8? What is 6 times 9? What is 7 times 6? What is 7 times 7? What is 7 times 8? What is 8 times 6? What is 8 times 7? What is 8 times 8? What is 8 times 9? What is 8 times 10? What is 9 times 1? What is 9 times 2? What is 9 times 3? What is 9 times 5? What is 9 times 9? What is 9 times 10? Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math.